Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson here with MarineMax Clearwater. Got a really well cared for and very unique boat here. It's a 370 Venture. It's a full cabin cruiser, but it's actually an outboard. I'll walk around back and show you what that looks like. So here we are on the back side of this Venture here, and if you look down below your swim platform, you can see there's two outboard motors tucked in here. Very unique design, well ahead of its competition for the year. Nowadays, that's what everything's starting to go to, so I guess they had it right. So up on board here, see we've got plenty of beautiful seating and traditional Sundancer style here. The teak wood table and sea deck flooring. Lots of sun lounging, lots of access up through the center there to the bow. The helm station here, we've got nice cherry wood steering wheel and trim, as well as Raymarine sharp ladder. Dual throttles, as well as bow thruster. And then coming down below deck here, lots more nice woodwork. We got a folding table that converts into a full bed. Port here, we've got a refrigerator, microwave, sink, storage cabinets. In the back is your master with another big bed. On starboard side here, we've got the head, which gives you full stand up. I'm 6'2", I can stand up in there just fine. Really cool boat. It's been a long time since I've seen one of these, and you don't see them around very often. This thing won't last. Give me a call if you're interested.